So you want to learn the note business, how you can buy non-performing notes on residential commercial properties at a huge discount, well below what most real estate investors or traditional property buyers are buying. So I want to invite you out to a very special one-day event this Saturday. That's my Note Weekend training class. It's literally the Cliff Notes of learning the note business. I'll show you how we find, fund, and flip and flow non-performing notes from a variety of lenders, mortgage bankers, note sellers, and other lead sources that send us lists of notes on a regular basis without the expensive overhead of direct mail or anything like that. So if you really want to learn how to be a lien lord or learn the sexy side of real estate investing, you can join me at noteweekend.com. That's free. That's right. It's normally $99, but you can attend for free this Saturday starting at 10 a.m. Central. Go to noteweekend.com. Sign up, no credit card, RSVP your spot, and we'll get started live on Zoom for my masterclass on how to learn how to buy non-performing notes. It's live, you'll be able to ask questions, and if you can't make it for the entire session, we'll send the replays to you afterwards. And this is basically 14 bite-sized sections during Saturday's training class. Yes, with yours truly, just me teaching you how we're finding these deals, how we're marketing these deals, how we're raising capital, how we're making money on the different exit strategies, whether it's performing or non-performing. And we'll show you how to, and who you need to talk to at these banks and lending institutions across the country to have them send you their list of non-performing notes. So I've been a note investor for over 16 years, about over $1 billion in debt, closed on thousands of transactions. And I boast one of the highest closing ratios of my students out there. We work really hard to make sure our note investing students and coaching students are closing deals and not just talking about notes. That's why we're called We Close Notes instead of We Talk Notes. So we'll show you how you don't need to have a ton of your own capital to start buying notes. We'll talk about how you want to. You can start wholesaling, but don't be just a wholesaler and leave all that money on the table. We'll show you how to leverage other people's money to make double-digit returns, not only for you, but for them as well. So join me again this Saturday, October 14th at 10 a.m. Austin time. That's Central Standard Time. And like I said, go to noteweekend.com to join us live for a full day of fun on how to find, fund, and flip and flow performing and non-performing notes. And we'll see you at the top.